Mohamoud Ali Youssouf niwe mweekivila mweu wa nzama nene ya ngwatanio ya nthi ya Africa AUC itina wa kumusinda ula wa minista munene va Kenya Raila Odinga nthini wa usindani muvyu ula kula syalasimika kukunwa raundi muonza nokana musindi akwatikane. Kwa Youssouf kusinda syalasimika Raila Odinga kumia masemba raundi ni athanthatu ya ukuni wa kura nokana asumbi ma Africa komanda musindi kwisila eleve ya Mohamoud Youssouf eweka ula ya muthia wianisya utalolo kwendeka wa kura 33 mwaka ena mauvo.
Ula minista wa maundu manthi syanza kuma nthi ya Djibouti Mohamoud Ali Youssouf yuno mweekivila wa AUC itina wa kumeta nthi asindani makeli ula wa Prime Minister vamusi Raila Odinga na Richard Madrato wa Madagascar. Raundi ambe Raila itongosya kwa kula miongweli ateo maundu maluka nthini wa raundi ya katatu. Mohamoud Ali Youssouf oza utelevu wa masemba kwa kula miongweli na itatu. Raila hakwata kula miongweli na Madrato akwata itano na aume ya masemba na kutia Raila na Youssouf kiwanzani.
Heads of states and governments.
Mohamoud Ali Youssouf niwe mustali nwambe raundini ya kana ya katano na ya thanthatu ya kura hii na nundu thi lasima musindi akwatikane. Raila haume ya masemba itina wa aeli umwe wa kukosa kuyanisya kura 33 nokana kutangaso musindi na kutia Mohamoud Ali Youssouf wa nthi ya Djibouti ewekele veni. Nanundu thi lasima musindi amandwe Mohamoud Youssouf thini wa raundi ya muonza ewekele veni niwe anisya kura 33 ila si kwendekana na kutangaswa musindi na osa mwana wa Musa Faki ulothi umwewea mwanani ukwe umunthi itina wa kuthukuma tamu ile ta mweekivila wa AUC.
We had great plans, but as it were, the elections has been done today and we did not succeed. Members expressed their democratic rights and voted for Mr. Youssouf. So I'm saying I accept the outcome of the vote and congratulate Mr. Youssouf for his victory today and wish him well in steering this movement forward. We want this organization of the African Union to be strong, to merge and be able to serve the people of Africa effectively.
Na Kusindwa kukwa Raila kwithwa na mauswanio maingi kukonya sule otetu wa vamusi nthini wa mithina yukite. President William Ruto hethitu mustali nwambe kukunea malevi Raila kampeni ni isi ya AUC uteti ula Ruto uende isi kufikia ndatikani ya muthia aitwa isi munene na asumbe kauta ndatikani siya muthia kuya Addis Ababa. Inge maana maati ma Raila na teti mwavulini wa silikali mpya broad-based meikuya Addis Ababa kumwikia vina Raila utetino ulota na asya usindi.
As you know, the vote was secret ballot, so you don't know who voted and who voted against you. So I will not say, but I'm sure that most of my friends voted for me. And of course, even those who voted for me are also my friends, but probably they thought otherwise. So they exercised their democratic rights. Of course, when you go to a contest, there can only be two outcomes. You can win or you can lose. So this is one of them. And therefore, I'm not bitter. I'm very happy, in fact, indeed. And I'm still available to offer services to the continent in any other capacity. My plan now is I will go back home and so many things to do back home.
Vilingwa mauvo kumava kaunti nilovi. Nitawa Benjamin na mwaka.